Okay, the dumpling got broken, and I'm trying to see if we could make slime with it. It's very sticky, and I do not know what they're made of. See, it's very sticky, like sticky. So we're going to cut it open and see how we do this. Okay, I'm going to put it in here. And this is the dumpling. Was the dumpling? Okay. Look. So we're trying to see if we can make it slime. Okay, with this. It's not sticky right here, but it's sticky here. Okay, so see you guys later. Let's see how it works.
Can I take this?